Pere Marquette Railway Bridge, now part of a rails to trail system. The bridge goes over the Muskegon River. It's a 5-panel Pratt through truss bridge. Just gonna walk across it here, get a good look at it. The railway parallels US 10, and here where it crosses the Muskegon River. This is the view heading west towards Ludington. And the view going east to Clare. One of two bridges, railway bridges, that are on this trail. Sorry, no diving. The bridge is in Evart Michigan. At night they have lights that light up the bridge. It's usually red, white, and blue. At Christmas it's a little bit different. They change it up. Pretty cool.